our last video, I looked at the structure of an atom and showed you the subatomic particles, the protons and the neutrons, which are concentrated in the nucleus of the atom, while the electrons orbit on the shells of the atom. So in this one today, I'm going to have a look at the subatomic particles in terms of their relative mass and their relative charge. So the subatomic particles I've got here is the protons, neutrons, and electrons, or electrons. Okay, and the relative mass of the proton and the neutron is 1. Right? So the masses of the subatomic particles, they're very tiny. Instead of writing their actual masses in kilograms, we often use their relative masses. The relative masses of a proton is 1. And the particle with a relative mass smaller than 1 has less mass. Goes without saying there. So electrons, instead of writing anything, a number, because it's very small, we simply write very small. All right. And then in terms of their charge, if you remember in the previous video, I said that protons are positive, neutrons are neutral, so they don't have a charge, and electrons are negative. So for protons, their relative charge is a +1. Neutrons is 0 because it doesn't have a charge, and electrons is negative, so you give it a charge of -1. Okay, I hope that helps. So once again, the mass of an electron is very small compared to a proton or a neutron, and since the nucleus contains protons and neutrons, most of the mass of an atom is concentrated in its nucleus. And finally, protons and electrons have electrical charges that are equal and opposite. Hence why proton number and neutron number is the same. However, they have different charge. So electrons are negative and protons are positive. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you'll come back again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.